Hi there, for all the graphic designers out there who need a free version of Adobe InDesign, this guide is for you. We'll explain how to install the software in no time at all. Let's move. Okay, your first step is to jump onto our webpage and find the installation package. It contains all the main data required for the software to run. Alright, the first download phase is all done. Now, to set up the extra components, simply pick your language and hit continue. Keep in mind, this part might also take a bit of time. The final stage of the installation is completely done. Let's launch the software right now and see what we actually got here. As you can see, everything is running perfectly fine. Head over to our website to get your download, and I'll see you guys in the next video.